राजकीय एक्टिविस्ट ट्राजन डिमेलोन मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकाराचो खरो हेल्थ स्टेटस जाहीर करचो म्हूण घाल्ली याचिका हायकोर्टान भायर मारल्या। आता तो सुप्रीम कोर्टात चल्लो। मुख्यमंत्री सय मारपाचे परिस्थितीत ना हें दाखोवपी स्वता मुख्यमंत्र्याचो नोट मुख्य सचिवान कोर्टात लिपयलो म्हूण ट्राजनाच्या आदोगाताचो आरोप।
Stated in the note, I have been advised by the doctors treating me to avoid physical contact with files for the time being on account of possibility of secondary infection as part of the ongoing treatment. I have therefore authorized Principal Secretary to the Chief Minister and in his absence Secretary to Chief Minister to record my decision directions on the government correspondence including files, notes and append his signature for disposal of the same till further orders. Now this note was given to me yesterday after the judgment was passed. It basically corroborates the stand of the petitioner, in fact, that the Chief Minister has not been signing files himself. He is not in a position to sign.
Now, it was my strong conviction after discussing with my lawyer that the courts are the conscience of the Constitution. And therefore, the anxiety and sentiments of lakhs of Goans about the Chief Minister's functioning, we took it up to the court.
आर्ग्युमेंटा वेळार आयिल्ल्या कितलेशेच मुद्द्यांचेर कोर्टाची खंय निवाड्यात जाप ना।
Third question posed by the court to the government was whether the medical report could be given in a sealed envelope to the court for its perusal. Now, all these three questions posed to the government, a learned advocate general could not answer all these three questions, nor do we find it reflected in the judgment at all.
हायकोर्टाचो आदेश पळयल्यार आता खंयच्याय संविधानीक पदार बशिल्ली व्यक्ती आयसीयूतल्यान पासून कारभार चलोवंक शकतली।
This has to be appreciated. This is a good judgment. It will be now applied everywhere. You can go to the ICU, sleep and run the government. Who is taking oral instructions, whether he is in a position to make oral instructions, he is in a position to speak, we don't know. If he was in a position to speak, he would have met your.
मुख्य सचिवाचो हो नोट पळयात। मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या नावान सय मारपाचो सचिवाक दिल्लो अधिकार। ताणें आपले अधिकार दुसऱ्या खंयच्या ज्येष्ठ वा सहकारी मंत्र्याक दिनासतना ते अधिकाऱ्याक दिल्ले। तेन्ना सावन पर्रीकार कॅन्सराच्या ट्रिटमेंटाचेर आसा, मात अजून मेरेन तरी हो नोट ताणें फाटीं घेतिल्ल्याची म्हायती मेळना। प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकारा वांगडा सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी।